Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question on your screen. We have to find the value for x over here. Question arises how we can approach to proceed it. Here we are seeing that 1 is written over here and here 132. So we need to solve this one by writing in this way. I'm just writing 132 and there is a power 0. This one is equivalent to 1 because we are knowing that if something is having power 0, so value is 1. Here I can write this one same as it is, whatever here given in this way, and this one can be write x minus 1 divided by 7 is equal to 132 and power 0. Now one thing is that here bases are same, obviously their powers will be equal. So x minus 1 divided by 7 is equal to 0. And here after doing cross multiplication, 0 into 7 it is coming 0. So x is equal to 1. And this is our solution for this question. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.